Thank you for coming back to the channel. This episode, we are just going to address and clarify about genetics and dogfighting. I don't I don't want people to misunderstand that because I have these dogs together, and because they are game bred dogs, that it's proof that it is how you raise them. It is not. What I've done here is through experience. I have many years experience handling this particular breed, and many more years just handling different types of breeds and mixed breeds that I've been able to learn from them the telltale signs that things are escalating, that it's going from fun and playfulness to something more serious, more of a challenge. As you can see, those two dogs here in my video, the black, not the black, the seal dog and the brown or red dog, these they get along well. As you can see them, they sleep together, they play together. But I really believe that these two individuals, when the pup gets older, it is going to become a real fight. I am going to do my best for that not to happen. But even if I was able to make them not fight, I still have to understand that that doesn't mean that outside my house, the dog will not want to fight or get fight crazy with a strange dog. So no, it is not how you raise them. How you raise them just helps them have more options. You make a dog not a one-track mind type of dog. You make that dog just be able to decide things, think about things, evaluate things in a broader scale than a dog that is really never been socialized, never been around anything, people or other animals, aside from changed by neighbors. So I just wanted to make sure that we clarify that most of it is genetics. If the dog was bred to be animal aggressive, dog aggressive, fight crazy, there is a likelihood that the genetic predisposition will make puppies or that dog the same way or similar. It doesn't mean that certainly this breed is mean and horrible and whatnot, because at the same time that the breeding manipulation, the DNA manipulation was to make a dog, a fighting dog, as they used to call it, they also created a dog that is loving towards people. Even though a dog could be animal aggressive, does not mean it's going to be human aggressive. And if it's human aggressive, it doesn't mean it's going to be animal aggressive. So it's really no connection between animal aggression and human aggression. Obviously, there's some animals that will be both animal and human aggressive. So it's really a lot to do with genetics. So let's not be confused by my videos. I always do say, do not try this at home, especially if you never own the breed. Don't start buying a whole bunch of these dogs and expecting them to live the way they're living here now. I don't expect this to be my case for the rest of my life with all the dogs I may have in the future. But I am, again, prepared. I do have breaking sticks around the house. And I do have cages around the house for that particular reason, in the event that something happens and it turns into a real fight. It's happened to me with previous dogs back in the day where, the oldest dog would say, okay, to the younger dog, okay, you're old enough, get the hell out of here, type of idea. But obviously, nobody can get the hell out of here because they're home. But the mentality was kind of like those old lions, the lions and their pride. And when the young male lion gets to a certain age, the older lion wants to kick him out. I see it that way with these type of dogs. At a certain age, the male is like kind of like, all right, get out of here, go do, and they will attack it doesn't start as huge aggression, like especially in this. I never noticed a huge aggression. It was more like a, all right, get out of here, and then if they're still around, they become aggressive, more aggressive, go aggressive. But you have to learn to read the signs and obviously raise these dogs to understand you are the alpha, you are the number one, you are the captain of the ship, and if you get up, it means something. Okay? But anyway, this is Tony Montana. Until next time.